Okay, the first setting that you need to set on the system, once you get it all hooked up, and you want to mount the black box on the right side of the hopper, that down low, so the cords from the feeder motor and the combustion fan will fit over, be long enough to go over and go in the bottom of the box. Okay, now the idle knob setting. This determines how many minutes the feeder runs every 10 minutes to feed coal to keep the fire lit. And if you set the knob at minimum, it's going to run 1 minute every 10 minutes to keep a small fire burning in the stove. So here's the knob. There's the white indicator on the knob. It's set at minimum, and it'll feed 1 minute every 10 minutes. And when it does feed, or when the stoker motor's running, you see this little green light comes on. So that's an indication to you that the motor is running. Now I'm going to show you how big the fire typically is in the stove when it's in the idle mode. You can see, hopefully you can see the burner there, but it's just a small fire at the back where the air holes start on the burner, and it's maybe 1 inch at the most wide, and just burns a very small amount of coal in 24 hours, probably somewhere around less than 12 pounds in 24 hours. So that's a half a pound an hour to keep the unit lit. And the whole purpose is to keep a fire in it lit, so that when the thermostat calls for heat, it will feed steady, the fire will get bigger, and of course the house will warm up. And then once the house warms up, it goes back to the idle mode.